Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color a notebook, crayons, and scissors. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a notebook, starting with the spine. I draw a shape of heart. Then I draw the bookmark like this. Then I draw a cute face for a notebook like this. Draw two eyes and a smiling mouth. Next to the notebook, I draw a school supplies cup. In the cup, I draw crayons like this. Then the first, draw a ruler. I continue with the paintbrush. I also draw a face for a cup. Draw the cute eyes and a smiling mouth. Next to it, I draw scissors. Starting with a shape of heart right here. Then I draw a handle of scissors. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Now let's coloring together, starting with pink. Then I use yellow for this part. I color a notebook light purple. Then I use green and yellow to paint a cap of school supplies. I color this crayon pink, dark green, dark blue, and dark yellow. Then I use this sky blue marker to paint this ruler. Yellow, brown, gray, then I color the scissors with dark yellow, pink, and gray like this. Pink, gray, great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.